Hey everyone, welcome to the MegaBuilds World. The legendary FC Barcelona stadium is transforming into a modern masterpiece. From the new roof structures to VIP zones, seating, and parking, every corner is coming alive with precision, advanced engineering, and world-class design. Today, we'll take a closer look at the latest developments shaping this iconic stadium. At the North Gold Tribune, roof construction is moving rapidly. Iron reinforcements are almost complete, and structural frameworks are carefully aligned to ensure strength, stability, and long-term durability. Nearby, covered escalators are being installed to make fan movement smooth, safe, and efficient across all levels, even during the busiest match days. Each escalator and walkway is designed to handle large crowds while keeping safety a top priority. The parking structure is also taking shape quickly. Concrete panels are being positioned, pillars stripped, and upper levels are rising with modern, innovative designs. Once finished, this facility will provide secure, well-organized parking for thousands of vehicles, making arrival and departure much easier for fans and staff alike. Inside the VIP zones, concrete blocks and separators are defining mobility paths and emergency staircases with high precision. Hospitality areas are progressing steadily, while safety nets and lifting platforms cover every level as construction climbs higher. Every detail is carefully planned to ensure comfort, safety, and smooth operations for VIP guests. From lounge areas to dining sections, all designed with elegance and functionality in mind. On the third tier, prefabricated panels and beams are being installed with exact technical care. Expansion joints are set to guarantee long-term stability, while welding, netting, and concrete work continue at a steady, controlled pace. At the south goal end, specialized teams are mounting panels with skill, while at the north, new elevator shafts and steel structures rise with perfect alignment. Escalators are already installed and fully protected until all interior finishing work is complete, ensuring everything remains safe during the ongoing construction. From the outside, glass panels now line the main access points and side entrances. Luminous signage, reinforced doors, and exterior finishes are being installed with expert precision. Inside, the first new seats are appearing, and sections of the third tier are starting to take impressive, clearly visible shape. Every corridor, entrance, and seating block is being carefully measured and aligned, reflecting the scale and ambition of the project. The parking facility has reached an advanced stage. Major reinforcements and concrete works are expected to finish by early December, supporting smooth, modern stadium operations and making matchday logistics much easier. Security checkpoints, directional signage, and lighting are all being integrated to handle large volumes of fans efficiently. Step by step, the future home of FC Barcelona is coming to life. A massive project built with unmatched precision and world-class engineering. It is set to become a benchmark for European football stadiums, combining beauty, functionality, and innovation. Fans will proudly call this stadium home for decades to come. Thanks for watching. We'll continue bringing you the latest progress from Camp Nou Stadium. Make sure to stay connected with MegaBuilds World. Subscribe, hit the bell, so you don't miss any updates. The stadium is growing bigger, more advanced, and more impressive every day. And we'll be here to show you every step of the way, from the first beams to the final seat installation, including behind-the-scenes construction moments you won't want to miss.